So here we have our new products which are designed to the Central European winter conditions. This new Nokian WRD3, which is directional pattern design, and this pattern we build up from 13-inch up to 17-inch, and the speed categories are from T to H. And with this one you can have very good winter properties and same time very low rolling resistance. And this new Nokian WR-A3, this is designed to the little bit more powerful cars from 16-inch up to 20-inch, and the speed categories start from H-rated and goes up to W-rated. And with this new asymmetric one you can have very good winter properties and also very good handling on the bare road, even on high speeds. In this new Nokian WRD3 we have great new innovations, and the main innovations are this directional thread design that improves slush planing and aquaplaning properties. We have a new Saipem technology, Cool Touch, that gives very good winter grip and also very good handling on the bare road. And also this silent sidewall technology that gives very pleasant noise level to the tire. The main innovations in this new Nokian WR-A3 are new thread design, which is asymmetric, very stiff outer shoulder and wide lateral grooves that improves slush draining properties and aquaplaning properties. Polished main grooves gives nice technical outlook and very good aquaplaning properties. And new cryogenic cannula compounding. New full silica winter compound on the top, and under that new nano silica compounding. And with this new nano silica compound we can improve high speed handling properties.